Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt. This is my Cosmic Rings Rainbow Spiral. Believe it or not, we didn't put any green on it. You see what color you can see from the outside, so looks like it worked pretty good to me. Interested to see how this one turned out. This has a black center and a black edge.
I think the black might have overtaken our red.
Maybe a little bit, but that's what I kind of intended to happen. I had a feeling it would overtake at least some of the colors. But I think it's going to look pretty cool either way. He definitely dyed it pretty much exactly how I had in mind, so. Very interesting to see. Out here washing it out with the cold water, about to go inside for the warm. So obnoxious. I like loud vehicles, but that's just obnoxious. Doesn't sound good at all. Sounds like a cart and a bicycle wheel. That's what it sounds like. That's the adult equivalent of a cart and a bicycle wheel. That's what that is.
Bigger inside.
To the inside?
To the inside.
Cool. Getting it unbanded.
It rinsed it out pretty good outside.
Yeah, I noticed that. It's definitely ready for the unbanding. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Whoa. Nice. Okay, that is nice. It did kind of overtake the Scarlet a little bit, but that is okay because look at that. I am happy with that. There was no green in this either, people. No green dye used at all.
Just
And
yellow.
it does still have some red on the bottom and whatnot. You just can't.
You'll be able to see it better in the light.
Yeah, you'll see it good when it's good and washed out. You can see it right there. Ooh. Off the backboard. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, that definitely came out really cool. This is our tricolor with new black on the borders and edges. As you can see, it came out real good all the way across to all the sleeves. Nice good pattern and a perfect spiral, spiraling out from the black in the very center Made nice greens. You know, there was no green put on this shirt. It was just citrus yellow, turquoise, and scarlet, I believe. Created that nice green color and pretty cool purples in there. But yeah, check that out. We're definitely going to do some more like this. The next one's going to be more of like a cosmic scape. It's going to feature more black and have smaller rings coming out. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us do next. We'll call that one a win though. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.